All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Let's do the trading recap. It was a very eventful day with Baba selling off really heavy, and we traded short Baba and Amazon and AMD. So these three were really good. So let's go through each of the trades and see what happens.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Other than that, market is selling off a little bit. TNA was really up yesterday. I was up like $20,000 on it, and now it just bounced back, unfortunately. But let's see what the market is offering us today. So Tesla today was gapping down, and we traded twice to the long side. First, as a 1 minute opinion range breakup, it squeezed up. I went long and I got it stopped out. It came back up again. I went long and we saw big ask at 240 and 240.50. It came and squeezed up and I got out of it. Very nice, profitable trade on that. And after that, it came back up and then sold off. So that was it. AMD was the best trade of the day today, really. Was red. As you see, the dojis were showing themselves really nicely here. Every time that it was setting up, it was being bought back up, never really closed below the VWAP, squeezed up just below the previous day close, tested the VWAP, quickly bounced back. I went long heavy here for the break of 118, which is exactly when at previous day close, popped up and I sold all. Brian has stayed in there. It was actually a very good trade. Brian has stayed in there and even added here, and then it continued going up all the way up to 120. It was a very nice move on AMD, unfortunately, that I missed it. So as you see, it just continued going higher, and now as you see here is if you go to 5 minute chart, it just keeps going up. AMD was really trade of the day. That I didn't trade that. Baba had an earning yesterday and was really bad. Like this morning was really bad, sold off, and Brian shorted that. I actually shorted that as well. For Baba you gotta wait, because for 1 minute there was no trading, and then when the imbalance happens, I shorted Baba. Really dropped from 79.50 all the way up to 78.25. So that was a really good trading, and then bounced back and I got it stopped out. I gave a little bit of a profit back here because I didn't manage the trade properly. So when this is your entry and you start partialing here, you really need to don't let this to go past beyond your trading. So that was trading here on Baba as well, and then there was TQQ that I traded quickly for a red to green. I remember that here. That was the TQQ pop. Very small share size, popped up and sold 43.50, and I got out of it at the break even. It seems that the market doesn't have enough momentum to really go higher. It was really good volatility this morning. It was really good, especially for scalpers. That's really good and nice momentums. People in the chat room did a really nice trading. I think Avi did a very nice trading on Apple. Apple was very strong. He traded, as you see here, options for Apple at 190, popped up really nice, and he made $4,400, and he had a small loss on Google. So overall he made $3,000. So that's generally trading for the people who are scalping. These small moves were very nice. So that is Avi. Who else we had in the trading? And I think Paris also did a really nice trade on Amazon. We did trade Amazon as well. Yeah. Brian shorted Amazon at the open. I did it at the 1 minute opinion range breakdown from 140.55 all the way to here. Then I got it stopped out at the break even. So that was very nice. So this is 1 minute opinion range breakdown, and then eventually you got it stopped out. So overall, it was really solid day for me. I have only TNA left. I want to take this 4,000 shares. See, yesterday it was TNA went up a lot, and I was hoping that I should have sold it because I was up like $20,000 on it. But now we're sitting on that and see how it goes. Perfect. Yeah, it was a pretty good day, and market volatility is amazing. Today's Thursday. We're gonna have Friday as well, and we just continue to see this market volatility, guys. I hope everybody enjoys that. Ciao.